Day here at Ontario Motor Sales. Thanks so much for taking a closer look at our 2019 Chevrolet Impala. This vehicle is loaded with technology and features that will keep you comfortable on your travels. It rides on 18-inch aluminum wheels. It has a power release trunk which you can access right on your remote. It opens up to a very spacious cargo area, which of course can be extended further by dropping down the 60/40 split folding seats. It has a powerful 3.6 liter engine under the hood, giving you great acceleration on the highways. Also, you do have ease of access with the keyless entry. Makes it super convenient when your hands are full. It is certified pre-owned and accident-free. Let's take a closer look on the inside. Lots to talk about on the interior. A very spacious back seat, great leg room, as well as head space for passengers. You do have the 120 volt power outlet, so if you have laptops or anything you need to connect, that's available. Drop down cup holders, as well as that amazing dual panel panoramic sunroof. Stepping into the front seat, we have nice leather interior seating surfaces, along with several features that are luxurious, such as the heated steering wheel, along with heated seats for both driver and passenger. On your main screen, you do have access to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so that allows you to connect your smartphone directly to the vehicle, as well as Bluetooth with hands-free calling, which can be accessed right on your steering wheel. You do have 25,379 kilometers, so lots of miles left to go, and you will get the dual zone air conditioning along with the push button start, which is extremely handy. So that's a sneak peek at our 2019 Chevrolet Impala. This is the 10th generation for Impala, so it has a long history of being dependable and reliable. It's loaded with technology and features to keep you comfortable. It is certified pre-owned as well. You do have the balance of factory warranty, accident-free, and available to test drive. So visit us online at ontariomotorsales.com or give us a call, 905-725-6501. You can also text us at that number, set up a test drive, and experience the Impala for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.